So I'm about to head down to San Diego to go link up with my buddy Tyler. He has the really badass mineral gray 435i that you guys have probably seen on the channel at some point. I'll throw a playlist up to the mini build series that we did right up here. He got his car custom tuned by Kerry Jordan via Pro Tuning Freaks in the boot mode platform. He's running an E30 ethanol map in that car, along with a custom flash that allows him to spit massive flames on his car. The flames, I guess they only come out of one side of the tailpipe since he has a Valvetronic exhaust system. But regardless, I'm really excited to hear the insane backfires and see how big these flames are. We're gonna go hang out in San Diego for a bit, and then later tonight is when we're gonna start filming the footage. So be sure to go ahead and smash that thumbs up button, as well as subscribe to the channel down below and hit those bell notifications if you are new to the channel. I would really appreciate that. Let's get right into it. I'll catch up with you guys in just a bit.
3 hours later.
So guys, I just hopped into my buddy Matt's car. He's actually the chase car right now. I know it's a little bit dark, so I am sorry about that, but this will help to really maximize the viewing capacity of these flames, so pretty excited. So Tyler's up ahead a little bit. We had a cop behind us for a little bit, so we wanted to make sure that he was gone first, but this will be the camera car, and hopefully we'll get some good clips for you guys.
Oh, on this. Okay, bye.
Oh my god, those are loud, dude. Oh my god, my ear. Dude, what the hell? Yeah, it shot flames. We might need to get a few more clips though, because... Okay. What do you think of that?
Dude, it's fucking nuts.
Nuts, bro. That is absolutely insane.
Go down this a while and then turn back.
Okay, yeah, let's do that. Dude, those pops like hurt my ears. They are so loud. This car looks so sick rolling. It's like a total race car. Like, dude, yeah, at night, because of the mineral gray, it's just nuts. Oh my god, it's like, there's literally a flame for every pop that the car does.
Yeah.
That's wild, dude. Oh my god. I do not think the camera is picking up how, like, explosive those backfires are. Like, you can feel it. You can almost feel them in your chest. Like, you can feel the literal, like, sound wave.
So before this revision of the tune from Jordan Tuned, he would downshift into third or second, I can't remember, and he would literally have it at, I think it's like 6,000 RPM, and then he'd redline it the rest of the way, let off, and it would just be one ginormous flame. It was
my god,
absolutely insane.
I can't even imagine that, because these flames are already pretty, like, decent in size, at least from what I've seen.
Yeah, the flames have increased in size too, but it's like consistent now with every single pop you get a flame.
Every pop you get a flame.
Yeah.
That's insane. Do you think there's any way he could replicate that, like, 3-foot flame that you were talking about?
Oh, I'm sure there is.
Okay.
If, like once we go back on this right now, it probably just has to heat up a little bit more.
Gotcha. My ears hurt! The car takes off. I think there's a tunnel coming up, boys, so I don't know what this means. Oh dear, he's slowing down. Oh yeah, this is gonna be loud. Oh my god, dude. That was so loud. That was so insane. My ears hurt. My ears hurt. Sorry guys about the poor lighting, but that is the most insane backfire ever. Like, it almost sounds like a two-step or something. You can feel Oh, that's so much fun. Like, the amount of just like smiles and just crazy loudness that this car makes is just, oh wow, that's addicting. That is just too much fun to just mess around with. My god. This guy's
getting it back.
What? His blinker just popped right out. No way. Are we gonna like?
I couldn't put it back in.
Put it,
it's like
you can put it back in.
I can.
Or,
I can.
oh, okay. Okay, I was gonna
It's
say.
just like
Yeah, I can understand if it's a little finicky.
Perfect.
Hey, not bad at all. Not bad at all.
take a picture.
Look at those cars that just parked back there.
I like the gray one.
So, in your opinion, what's your favorite thing about owning the 435i? And like, what's your favorite mod that you've done to this thing? Because it's come a long way. What's that?
Everyone's favorite thing is exhaust, obviously.
Exhaust.
With any car, really.
Yeah, I think the exhaust is definitely one of the most fun things.
Yeah.
What else? Do you have any other plans in terms of power or just visual?
Power, I think I'm good for a while, unless there's a good deal on a Pure Stage 2 kit.
Pure Stage 2, right? Upgraded high pressure fuel pump?
Maybe use
Fully E85?
B58 HPFP.
B58 swap? Is that what I heard?
Yeah. Dude.
Oh, yeah.
Go on 440 badges and then,
Just do a 440 conversion on
Yeah.
your 435, right? Not bad. I think we're gonna be calling it a night. We've already done enough crazy stuff for the streets for one evening. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more of Tyler's build, feel free to follow him on Instagram at Ferocious4Series. I'll plug his Instagram right here. Go give him a follow and like his stuff because his content is awesome. And with all that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you all in the next one. Take it easy.